So many of us have a tool in our toolkit, and these objective tools are something that we can share in. They're common to all of us. And these common tools are verified by science. They've been explored and studied, and they actually contribute to producing heart-brain coherence. They synchronize the rhythms of our brainwaves, the heart rate variation, so on. Now there's one tool that's very useful to all of us, is nature. It is literally a one-stop shop immersive experience. The sounds of birds, the rustling of leaves, the green, the smell of the earth, the scent of flowers, it just goes on. And it's been proven to help our body enter a rest and digest state. So this orchestra of nature guides our body, can be at least a guide back to coherence. So there are certain energies, frequencies, that create coherent patterns. There's been so many studies done on plants, so many studies done on water, to do with words, emotions, thoughts, carrying an energetic influence, a frequency. So there are subjective tools as well. And these subjective tools are tailored to our personal experience. These are things that have been used, that are part of the nuances of our lives. They don't necessarily produce an objective coherence or synchronization in the heart and brain, but they produce a response, and that response is something we're accustomed to. Something in our nerves, fingers, arms, legs, chest, back, eyes, and so on. These needs pulse, and so what we're dealing with is the body. The body is a primal force that we consciously observe, that stores memory. So it's kind of like a physical subconscious intelligence that's working to preserve the core functions and to maintain equilibrium. So what we want to tap into in process meditation is what I think of as a scientific commonality that benefit all of us. Controlling our breath is common to all of us. Observing is common to all of us. We have senses. Thinking and acting. Being able to analyze and reason and reflect. These are things that are available. So, subjective tools offer a personal catharsis. They meet our individual desire. So again, we share objective tools here in process meditation. Those that are evidence to uplift universally and actually create coherence. So we encourage you to explore tools while recognizing the limits of your subjective ones for long-term preservation and coherence. Listen to the rhythm of your heart, center yourself there, source your coherence in objective tools, balancing them with your personal truth. Embrace this dance of inner and outer, and just strive for harmony and be in process. Being in process is simply ongoing, and this is truly the essence of the approach. So I wish you well. Stay safe out there, stay peaceful, look after your hearts, listen to your heart song, center yourself in the song of your heart, the coherent place. Peace and love.